And I've got some shocking news for you. Bones aren't made of calcium. So the worst thing you can do for bones is take calcium supplements.
What if I told you that everything you thought you knew about bone health was wrong? Brace yourself for a shocking revelation. Bones aren't made of calcium alone, and those calcium supplements you've been taking, they might be doing more harm than good. According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a renowned expert in natural health, the best thing you can do with them is put them in the bin. Today, we're diving deep into Dr. Barbara O'Neill's groundbreaking research on bone health. In the next few minutes, you'll discover why the calcium-only approach is outdated, learn about the complex mineral symphony that makes up your bones, and uncover natural secrets to rebuilding bone density. Plus, stick around for a game-changing tip that could revolutionize your bone health strategy. Are you ready to strengthen your bones like never before? Let's get started. Dr. Barbara O'Neill has spent years researching bone health, challenging conventional wisdom, and offering a fresh perspective on maintaining strong bones. Her findings, supported by Dr. Robert Thompson's book, The Calcium Lie, integrate insights from both Western and traditional medicine, providing a comprehensive view of bone health. This isn't just theory. It's backed by extensive research and success stories from people who have transformed their bone health using these methods. Did you know that your skeleton is like a complex mineral orchestra, with calcium playing just one instrument? Dr. O'Neill's research reveals a surprising truth about bone health that goes far beyond what most of us have been told. Prepare to have your mind blown. Our bones are composed of not just one, but 76 different minerals. That's right, 76. It's like discovering your favorite solo artist is actually part of a massive symphony. Among these, 12 main minerals are essential for bone health, including boron, chromium, silica, selenium, sulfur, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, manganese, and zinc. And let's not forget about the 64 trace minerals that play supporting roles. It's a far cry from the calcium-only approach we've been led to believe. Now, you might be thinking, but what about my calcium supplements? Aren't they helping? Well, according to Dr. O'Neill, you might want to reconsider. She references Dr. Robert Thompson's book, The Calcium Lie, which suggests that calcium supplements can actually deplete calcium from bones. It's counterintuitive, I know, but it highlights the importance of a balanced mineral intake. Dr. O'Neill explains, in fact, in the book The Calcium Lie, Dr. Robert Thompson actually says that calcium supplements can deplete even more calcium out of your bones. The pharmaceutical companies, they make all these drugs, then they've got another section. Guess what's in the other section? Vitamins and minerals. And there's not a big stockpile of vegetables out in the backyard that they're making them from. They're in a form that your body can't access. So if calcium supplements aren't the answer, what is? And how can we ensure we're getting the right mix of minerals for our bones? Stay tuned as we explore nature's own bone-building pharmacy. Nature's bone-building pharmacy. What if I told you that the most potent bone strengtheners are hiding in plain sight, right in your kitchen or garden? The foods you choose could be the key to unlocking your body's natural bone healing potential. Dr. Barbara O'Neill's research reveals some surprising culinary allies in the fight against bone loss. Green leafy powerhouses. Let's start with dark green leafy vegetables. You might have heard they're good for you, but did you know they're like a multivitamin for your bones? Broccoli, kale, and bok choy are packed with calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K. A trifecta of bone-building nutrients. Adding a handful of spinach to your smoothie or trying a kale salad for lunch could be a game changer for your bone health. Tiny seeds, big impact. Here's where it gets interesting. Sesame seeds, those tiny specks you might sprinkle on a salad, are actually mineral powerhouses. They're rich in calcium and zinc, both crucial for bone metabolism. In fact, research shows that sesame seeds can help prevent osteoporosis in postmenopausal women. Who knew such a small seed could pack such a big punch? The humble chickpea. Let's not forget about chickpeas. These humble legumes are rich in manganese, an often overlooked mineral that's essential for bone formation. A manganese deficiency can lead to reduced bone formation and increased risk of osteoporosis. So next time you're thinking about a snack, Consider hummus. Your bones might thank you.
We don't need to drink seawater. All we need to do is get the whole salt, Celtic salt or Himalayan salt that has all of those minerals in it. Dr. Robert Thompson states that if you take a little crystal of salt in your mouth, give it a little chomp, drink your glass of water, you do that with every glass of water, that's 8 times a day.
The salt solution. Now, here's something that might surprise you. Remember how we talked about the importance of unrefined salt? Well, it turns out that low salt intake is actually associated with a higher risk of osteoporosis in postmenopausal women. This doesn't mean you should start pouring salt on everything, but it does highlight the importance of adequate sodium for optimal calcium absorption and bone formation. Dr. O'Neill recommends using Celtic or Himalayan salt, which contain a complex array of minerals beneficial for bone health. She suggests taking a small crystal of this salt before drinking water to replenish lost minerals. As she explains, we don't need to drink seawater. All we need to do is get the whole salt, Celtic salt or Himalayan salt that has all of those minerals in it. Dr. Robert Thompson states that if you take a little crystal of salt in your mouth, give it a little chomp, drink your glass of water. You do that with every glass of water. That's 8 times a day. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated regimens. By choosing the right foods, you're not just feeding yourself, you're actively rebuilding your bones with nature's perfect mineral balance. But diet is just one piece of the bone health puzzle. What other lifestyle factors might be influencing your bone health? Let's find out. Lifestyle secrets for stronger bones. What if the secret to stronger bones was something you're already doing every day without realizing it? Or worse, what if common habits you consider harmless are actually chipping away at your bone density right now? Dr. Barbara O'Neill's research reveals some surprising lifestyle factors that can make or break your bone health. Sunshine for your bones. Let's start with something you might not expect. Sunlight. We all know it's essential for vitamin D production, but did you know that vitamin D is crucial for calcium absorption? Dr. O'Neill recommends 10 to 30 minutes of midday sun exposure several times a week. It's like giving your bones a free vitamin boost, courtesy of Mother Nature. Bounce your way to better bones. Now, here's something that might make you feel like a kid again. Rebounding. That's right. Jumping on a mini trampoline isn't just fun. It's a bone-strengthening powerhouse. Research shows that rebounding can be twice as effective as running for building bone density. Dr. O'Neill suggests starting with gentle bounces and gradually increasing intensity as you become more confident. It's low-impact, high-reward exercise that your bones will love. Beware of the bone bandits. While we're adding bone-friendly habits, we also need to talk about some common culprits that might be sabotaging your bone health. Caffeine, refined sugar, alcohol, and tobacco are all mineral leachers. They can slowly deplete your bones of essential minerals, undoing all your hard work. It's not about complete elimination, but being mindful of your consumption can make a big difference. The power of rest. Now, let's talk about something we often overlook: rest. In our busy lives, sleep often takes a back seat, but adequate rest is crucial for bone health. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to decreased bone formation and increased bone resorption, potentially leading to osteoporosis. Dr. O'Neill stresses the need for a balance between work and rest, recommending 8 hours for work, 8 for play, and 8 for sleep to support overall health, including bone health. As Dr. O'Neill explains, the pineal gland stops releasing those hormones when you sleep in these hours. It gives the body time to recharge. It gives the bones the ability to strengthen. So, how can you put all this knowledge into action? And what's that game-changing tip I promised at the beginning? Stay tuned for our bonus insight that could revolutionize your bone health strategy. Bonus insight. Here's the game-changing tip from Dr. O'Neill. It's all about mineral balance. She suggests taking a small crystal of unrefined salt before drinking water to replenish lost minerals. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in your overall mineral balance. Remember, when it comes to bone health, it's not about more calcium. It's about the right mix of minerals. By understanding this mineral complexity, you're taking the first step towards naturally rebuilding your bone density. We've uncovered some surprising truths about bone health today, all thanks to Dr. Barbara O'Neill's groundbreaking research. From the 76 mineral symphony in our bones to the power of sesame seeds and the importance of rebounding, we've shattered the calcium-only myth. Now it's your turn to take action. Let's recap what we've learned about natural bone health. 1. It's not just about calcium. Your bones need a symphony of minerals to stay strong. 2. Dark leafy greens, sesame seeds, and chickpeas are nature's bone-building powerhouses. 3. Don't forget the importance of unrefined salt for mineral balance. 4. Sunlight, rebounding, and good sleep are key players in your bone health game. 5. Watch out for those sneaky mineral leechers like caffeine and refined sugar. You have the power to take control of your bone health. It's time to question the calcium-only approach and embrace a more holistic strategy. So, what's your first move? Will you start with a daily dose of leafy greens? Or maybe give rebounding a try? If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more health revelations. And don't forget to share your bone health journey in the comments below. Your experience could inspire others to take charge of their bone health too. Remember, your journey to stronger bones starts now. The choice is yours. Until next time, here's to your health and stronger bones.